The United States is a land of innovation and progress. Yet a curious anomaly persists, a stubborn adherence to a system of measurement out of step with most of the world. While nearly every nation on Earth embraces the metric system, the United States clings to its inches, pounds, and gallons. This discrepancy might seem trivial, a mere matter of different units. However, it reveals a deeper story. It's a story of history, culture, and the challenges of change. This enduring commitment to the imperial system has real-world consequences. It impacts how Americans learn, work, and interact with the rest of the world. Why then does the United States remain tethered to this seemingly outdated system? The answer lies in a complex interplay of historical inertia, economic factors, and a dash of national pride. To understand this phenomenon, we must first embark on a journey back in time to the origins of these two competing systems of measurement. Let's delve into the historical context that shaped America's unique relationship with the way it quantifies the world. The metric system, or SI units, was developed in France during the late 18th century and is based on units of 10. It includes units like meters for length, kilograms for mass, and liters for volume. For foreign students and professionals, adjusting to the imperial system can be challenging. They often rely on conversion tools and charts to navigate everyday tasks. The use of non-SI units in transactions, experiments, and recipes can lead to confusion and errors. This affects students' learning experiences and can create barriers in education and professional fields. Understanding the historical and cultural reasons behind America's adherence to the imperial system is crucial. It helps us appreciate the complexities and challenges of transitioning to a unified system of measurement. By understanding these differences, we can better support students and professionals in navigating both systems. The metric system, or SI units, was developed in France during the late 18th century and is based on units of 10. It includes units like meters for length, kilograms for mass, and liters for volume. For foreign students and professionals, adjusting to the imperial system can be challenging. They often rely on conversion tools and charts to navigate everyday tasks. The use of non-SI units in transactions, experiments, and recipes can lead to confusion and errors. This affects students' learning experiences and can create barriers in education and professional fields. Understanding the historical and cultural reasons behind America's adherence to the imperial system is crucial. It helps us appreciate the complexities and challenges of transitioning to a unified system of measurement. By understanding these differences, we can better support students and professionals in navigating both systems. The roots of the imperial system run deep, entwined with the very foundations of the United States. In the 18th century, as the nation declared its independence, it inherited the measurement system of its former colonial power, Great Britain. This system, with its origins in ancient Roman and Anglo-Saxon traditions, was deeply ingrained in everyday life. People were accustomed to its units, from the foot to the pound. Early attempts were made to establish a more uniform system. Thomas Jefferson, a staunch advocate for scientific progress, proposed adopting a decimal-based system. However, tradition prevailed, and the familiar imperial units persisted. As the nation expanded westward, these units became even more deeply embedded in American society. They were used to survey land, trade goods, and build a rapidly growing nation. The 19th century witnessed the rise of the metric system in Europe, a system born from the Enlightenment's emphasis on rationality and scientific principles. Yet the United States, geographically isolated and driven by its own industrial revolution, felt little pressure to conform. The imperial system, for all its inconsistencies, was the system Americans knew and trusted. Today, students and professionals in the US still use inches, feet, pounds, and gallons. For international students, adjusting to these units can be challenging, but conversion tools and resources are widely available. In everyday transactions, understanding these units is crucial for shopping, cooking, and even understanding weather forecasts. In scientific and engineering fields, working with non-SI units can complicate experiments and data analysis. Despite these challenges, the imperial system remains a fundamental part of American education and daily life. Understanding both systems can provide a competitive edge in a globalized world, bridging the gap between American and international standards. The imperial and metric systems represent two fundamentally different approaches to measurement. The imperial system, with its seemingly arbitrary units, evolved organically over centuries. The foot, for example, was originally based on the length of a human foot, while the pound was derived from a unit of weight used in ancient Rome. This historical baggage resulted in a system that is often cumbersome and lacking in internal consistency. Converting between units, such as inches to miles or ounces to gallons, can be a daunting task. The metric system, in contrast, is a model of elegance and simplicity. Conceived during the French Revolution, it was designed from the ground up to be logical, accessible, and universally applicable. Its units are interconnected by powers of 10, making conversions effortless. A kilometer is simply 1,000 meters, and a kilogram is 1,000 grams. This inherent clarity has made the metric system the undisputed standard for scientific communication and most industries worldwide. While the imperial system might seem quaintly anachronistic to some, its continued use in the United States has far-reaching implications, impacting various facets of American life. Let's examine how these two systems play out in the realms of science, industry, and everyday experiences. For foreign students, adjusting to the imperial system can be challenging. Understanding the common non-SI units like inches, feet, pounds, and gallons is crucial. Learning conversion techniques and using tools like conversion charts can help bridge the gap. The impact of these units extends to scientific experiments and industrial processes where precision is paramount. In everyday transactions, understanding both systems can prevent errors and ensure accurate measurements. For students, mastering both systems is essential for academic success and future careers in science and engineering. The dual use of these systems in the US highlights the importance of flexibility and adaptability in a globalized world. By understanding the secrets and intricacies of both the imperial and metric systems, we can navigate the complexities of measurement in various aspects of life.